Now let's discuss how we can deploy and manage application on Google App Engine. Uploading your application to App Engine is very easy. You need to just click a button or run a command, then enter your account email and password. All your code, configuration, and static files are sent to the App Engine. No worries about server software, how servers connect to the services, scalability issues, system software maintenance, etc. App Engine supports application versioning. You can test new versions before making it public, revert to previous version, and migrating the data store and services configuration for the app from one version to another. Service configuration is shared across all versions of an app, including data store indexes, task queues, and scheduled tasks. When you upload the app, the service configuration files on your computer are uploaded as well. Service configuration is separate from application configuration, which includes URL mapping, runtime environment, selection and inbound service sections. App configuration is bound to a specific app version. App Engine provides facilities to inspect app performance during runtime as well maintenance task, administrative console. Thing that App Engine does not do yet. These are the limitation of Google App Engine. App Engine does not support secure connection to custom domains but supports secure connection to appspot.com only. App Engine can use URL fetch service to make HTTPS request to another site, but App Engine does not verify the certificate used on the remote server. An app can receive incoming mail and XMPP chat messages at several addresses. None of these addresses can use a custom domain name. App Engine does not host long-running background processes. Task queues and scheduled tasks can invoke request handlers outside of a user request and can drive batch processing. This is different from full-scale distributed computing tasks. App Engine does not support streaming or long-term connections. App Engine only supports web requests via HTTP, HTTPS, email, and XMPP messages via these services, and it does not support other connections type. App Engine does not support full text search queues. Let's summarize Google App Engine. The current status of Google App Engine is that it has a free tier to start. It provides 1 GB data storage, 1 GB per day bandwidth, each for incoming and outgoing. 5 million approximately page views per month, 6.5 CPU hours daily. Email 2000 recipients, 650K instant messages, and 650K URL fetches. And you can purchase additional resources if required. Outgoing bandwidth is 0.12 per GB if you want to purchase additional resources. And incoming bandwidth is 0.10 per GB. CPU time is 0.10 per hour and storage data is 0.15 per GB per month. Recipient emailed is $0.0001, and there are a lot more services those are coming in future which will provide more features, more robustness, and additional libraries. Google App Engine is meant to serve web application and is built over scalable infrastructure. It consists of set of components, multiple languages, runtime, sandbox environments, data store, services, web-based administrative console, and SDK. App Engine supports rich set of services including JPA, JDO, Memcache, URL, fetch, send receive mail, and instant messages and task queues and schedule tasks. The App Engine relieves the user from many concerns, including scalability, system software maintenance, etc. App Engine supports application versioning, but still there are limitations in Google App Engine.